rAVe Radio. With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves with Gary.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Rants and Raves. I'm Steph Beckett, and this is our pre-InfoComm 2026 series in which we talk about the technology, the sessions, and the booths that you should check out while at the show this year. Joining me on this episode is Yolanda Pai from Taitra. First of all, this is your first time on the podcast, so welcome. So for people who are unfamiliar, do you want to talk a little bit about who you are and what you do?
Yeah, sure. We are Taitra, Taiwan External Trade Development Council. We are a platform, a nonprofit platform to help Taiwanese companies to expand their market worldwide. So under Taitra, we also hold a Taiwan Excellence Award every year that we are selecting the best products from Taiwan every year that we evaluate some factors such as marketing, innovation, and quality, etc. We evaluate these factors during like thousands Taiwan products, and we select the best present products from Taiwan. So also we bring this Taiwan Excellence Award winners worldwide to join the trade shows in different countries, such as this year we're joining InfoComm 2026, and we are bringing 11 brands in Taiwan Excellence Pavilion to showcase in InfoComm.
And for those who have not seen you guys at InfoComm before, could you talk a little bit about what specifically the Taiwan Excellence Pavilion is and what role it plays at InfoComm 2026?
So for this year, we're bringing 11 brands from Taiwan, and the theme will under Taiwan AI Island. So these 11 companies is presenting the full Pro AV ecosystem in Taiwan. So that will include few sectors, including AI infrastructure and edge computing. Then the AV over IP system connectivity technology, also AI-enabled collaboration platforms, and some brands are presenting their displays and visualization experience at layer.
And like you mentioned, this is bringing together 11 different companies. Are there any common themes or technologies other than AI that kind of connect them and what attendees will be able to see all across the different companies in the booth?
Right. Actually, we can categorize the brands into few sectors. The first one is AI infrastructure and edge computing, and also the AV over IP and system connectivity. And also some brands represent the AI-enabled collaboration platforms. Also, we also include some displays visualization layer and also system infrastructure services.
Cool. So people are going to get to see quite a range of different products. You guys are also hosting a product launch event on June 17th and also a really fun daily happy hour, boba and breakthroughs.
Right.
What can attendees
Yes.
expect from both of these experiences?
And for the product launch, we have a thing called Taiwan AI Island, redefining the Pro AV experience. So we invite five companies, five brands, including Arbor, Aver, Cypress, Data Video, and the last one is iPevel. And the five companies, they will share their most innovative products and their services that they are developing this year. And so after that is the product launch on June 17th. And but for every day we will during the show we'll have the boba breakthroughs happy hour. So as you can see, yeah, you can have some boba at our booth And it's kind of the mixer is just a very relaxed conversation in our booth that the attendees and buyers can have a casual conversation with all of our exhibitors. And yeah, because boba is from Taiwan, so we can have the boba at the booth. So it's kind of a relaxed moment
That's
for
perfect.
everyone.
I love that.
Yeah.
So, when someone is at InfoComm 2026 and walking the show floor, what is one reason that you would give for them to make sure that they stop by the Taiwan Excellence Pavilion?
Right, because actually the Taiwan Essence Pavilion, we want to tell everybody that Taiwan's unique position in the global AI ecosystem right now. And also, as mentioned, that we are not only showcasing one product or one brand or one company, we are showcasing the Taiwan's ecosystem in this industry. So the attendees can expect that they can learn how Taiwan applies AI in the industry innovation or any other, like we are we're gathering all of the roles together in Taiwan.
Awesome. And last question for you, where can people find the Taiwan Excellence Pavilion on the show floor, and where can people find more information online?
All right. Yeah, as you can see in the background, that is the Taiwan AI Island, and our boat number is N7763. So yeah, welcome everyone to join us to visit us at the booth, and we hope we can see everybody there.
Awesome. Well, Yolanda, thank you so much for being on this episode of Rants and Raves. It's been a pleasure getting to talk to you.
Yeah, thank you everyone.
And don't forget to go to ravepubs.com/InfoComm for all your InfoComm 2026 news. Again, I'm Steph Beckett, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Rave Radio with Ray.